Hello bachcho, let's read this question. 2 carbon plus oxygen leads to the formation of the CO, that is the carbon monoxide. Delta H is equals to minus 220 kilojoule. Which of the following statement is correct for this reaction? And these are the following options given to us. सबसे पहले हम इस क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट देखेंगे. And the key concept of this question is heat of combustion. Heat of combustion. And basically heat of combustion वो amount of heat होती है that is released during the combustion process. So we can write amount of heat released during combustion process. Combustion process. For this we should know कि combustion process क्या होता है. Basically जब substance burn किया जाता है in the presence of the oxygen, then it will leads to the formation of heat and light. Now let us see the question which is given to us. According to this question we can see हमें reaction given है in which जो carbon है it combines with the oxygen and it will lead to the formation of the carbon monoxide, and जो heat है वो release हुई है that is the minus 220 kilojoule. and जो heat release हुई है this negative sign shows कि heat release हुई है. and अगर हमारे reaction में heat release होती है that kind of the reaction is the exothermic reaction. ये हमारे पास एक exothermic reaction है. and now we have to see the following option because हमें options में से correct statement choose करना है. So जो हमारे पास A option है it says heat of combustion of carbon is 110 kilojoule. So जो हमारे पास reaction given है this is not the reaction for the heat of combustion of the carbon. जो हमारे पास कार्बन की combustion के लिए reaction आता है that is this carbon plus oxygen. It leads to the formation of the carbon dioxide plus heat and plus light. So ये हमारे पास reaction रहता है for the combustion of the carbon. जो हमें reaction given है वो तो react है ही नहीं है combustion of carbon के लिए. So ये जो heat of combustion of carbon is 110 kilojoule है. This is not correct regarding this reaction which is given to us. So ये wrong होगा. The next is reaction is exothermic. So here we have seen कि जो हमारे पास जो reaction है वो exothermic होगा as the heat is released in this reaction. So जो हमारे पास B है that is correct. Option C says reaction needs no initiation. For such kind of the reaction, इस reaction के लिए small amount of initiation is required to proceed. प्रोडक्ट का फॉर्मेशन के लिए. सो ये भी हमारे पास ऑप्शन सी जो है गलत है. ऑप्शन डी सेज ऑल ऑफ दीज आर करेक्ट. ऑल ऑफ दीज करेक्ट नहीं है सो दिस इज ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट. फाइनल आंसर जो होगा इस क्वेश्चन का दैट विल बी ऑप्शन बी which says reaction is exothermic. Let us mark the option B as the final answer. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck.